Okay, so today, this just needs a little tidy. This is what we're gonna work on. I took my son's memory box out and I think it's gonna go right back to put together. I had thoughts to go through it, but I'm not going to now. But yeah, the dressing room looks like a mess now. So we're just gonna do a little tidy on that today. And the office has somehow become a dumping ground as well. So this is also going to get a little tidy as well. And then I like to bring this back out back, get the blower, and clear out all this debris. Oops, don't know what that was. And blow out in here and blow out. Oh look, I got some eggs. Oops, whoops. Just throwing eggs, Rita. Yay. Looks like Rose, Dorothy, and probably Blanche. I don't know. Maybe blow out the front foyer as well, I think. Okay, let's get started. Hi. Is the new screen beating you?
Uh-oh, she's got, steps on it. Almost.
Can you get through it? That's my baby.
There we go. Go low.
Come on, Dorothy. These new magnets are really hard, so they can't figure it out. I feel bad.
Come here. You guys need to get this crack going right here. Uh-oh.
There we go. Come on, Dorothy. Did it beat you? Hi, honey. Yeah, is that so? Dorothy? Oh no, that's Rose. Hi, Rose. Okay. to kind of reset both worlds today. I'm tackling the glam side, putting away a mountain of clothes that has magically multiplied while I wasn't looking again, and refreshing the makeup area and finally locate that one missing earring that's probably been hiding behind a compact. But this is one of my favorite little pockets of the house, the room that does double duty like a boss. So on one side, we've got my recording studio with all the techie goodness, mic stands, cords I pretend to understand, and a faint lingering smell of creativity, or maybe coffee. I don't know. I can't tell anymore. On the other side, I've got the closet, the makeup table, the dressing room, all the sparkly, girly glam bits. It's part beauty station, part closet rehab, and fully my sanctuary of soft lighting, blush tones, and the occasional rogue sequin. These two zones share one room, and there are two wildly different energies happening under one roof. But somehow it's been working and it's continuing to work. It's like having a spa and a startup meeting in the same place, and depending on which way I'm facing, I either feel like a CEO of a record label or someone prepping for a Met Gala. I digress. So I wanted to wipe down my gear today, clean up my cables, and remind myself that the sticky note with fixed buzzing sound from 3 weeks ago is still not done. Whoops. It's all part of the charm of sharing your work zone with your get ready to face the day zone. Function meets fantasy. Sweatpants meets spotlight. But let's talk about the real win though. Here's the real story. Moving my closet and dressing space into this room has been the best thing ever. I used to try to get ready in the bedroom, which meant, y'all know, my early morning alarms, 3:30 a.m., tiptoeing around in the dark and praying my makeup brush didn't roll underneath a toilet or drop any earrings under the bed and wake the hubs. But now I can flip on the light, crank a playlist, sip my coffee, and actually see what I'm doing. There's no more squinting in the mirror, trying to decide or determine if I put on bronzer or just drop crumbs on my face. Creating this space for myself, a dedicated private zone to start the day, has been such a game changer. And it's not just about convenience, guys. It's about honoring the little routines that make you feel like you. Having this separate room makes getting dressed feel intentional again instead of a chaotic, pre-caffeinated scramble in the dark. So here's my little nudge to you. If you've been thinking about creating your own personal corner, whether it's a closet, a craft table, or just a chair in the sunlit corner of a room, do it. Totally do it. Give yourself permission to carve out space just for you. Even if it's small, even if it doubles as a cat bed half the time, because honestly, wiping down a mic while your favorite lipstick stares at you from across the room is weirdly empowering. And don't you deserve that kind of magic? All right. So happy. We've got this a little better cleaned up. Okay, nice and neat. It's as good as gonna get. Some of the stuff I can't get rid of, but that's okay. All right, on to the next space.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity.
Okay, so I am not excited about how all this clutter has come to be. So we're going to sort of have a little pop-up declutter, I think. So I'm going to clear out this. It's sort of where all my backdrops and tripods and all the things that I use to film sort of go either, I don't know, to die or for storage. I'm not sure, either or. So let's tackle this.
But I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. When you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
So here we are in my office. I did not plan to declutter today, but somehow, I don't know, I hoard things that are filming related. So holding a broken pen or unopened SD cards, a folder labeled important 2019, like it was a relic from an ancient civilization. I swear, I was just looking for something basic when I was kind of cleaning and tidying, and here we are. But that's how this happens, right? One innocent reach into the desk drawer, and suddenly you're taking inventory of every old notebook, expired coupon, a very suspicious tangle of cords that nobody remembers buying. Enter this disaster you're currently looking at, and you just have to roll with it. So, what I've noticed is that when I start decluttering, especially in a space like my office, it does more than just free up shelf space. It starts unlocking that fresh start feeling in my brain. When I let go of things I'm not using, it reminds me of the things I actually am using. The projects that still light me up, the work that matters, the tools I forgot I even had. Hello, label maker. You were so missed. There's a quiet kind of motivation that shows up when you're surrounded only by what still serves you. And that mindset, it literally spills out into the rest of my day. So I have a thought for you, and now I'm curious. What's something you've been holding on to that you know it's time to let go of? And no, I'm not just talking about that pile of mismatched socks, because, we can get really emotional here too. Or rather, let's get emotionally real here, right? Leave me a comment and let's talk about it. Sometimes the smallest decision to let go of a thing can make the biggest space for something new. And I want to know from you what that means and what that is.